Hello, realistic miniatures lovers. Graceful Barbie's feet in elegant sandals. Shining pink. Sparkling blue. Dazzling gold. So many new outfits. Do you want to know how to make such footwear? Let's take a pink foam paper. Now we take measurements of the doll's foot and scissor out 2 drafts precisely along the outline. Perfect! Delineate the drafts with a pencil, making little margins. Draw the first foot, then the second one because we will need 2 details. One for the right leg, and the second for the left leg. Then we mark the hole spots on either side, near the toes, and cut them through with a thin knife. Insert the glossy bands in the slots and tighten them a bit. Barbie wants to try it on her foot. Sheer beauty. Let's fix the band points with glue. Using the hot glue, attach the pink foam paper layer. Another try-on. Scissor out along the contour. Now decorate the side frame of the bottom with a sparkling band. Glue some glitter in a circle. We've made miniature sliders. Now we can go to the sea. Let's delineate the draft accurately on a blue base. You're doing well. Mark 4 side holes and cut them through. Insert 2 bands in the holes obliquely, crossing them. Straighten the glossy straps beautifully and glue the points firmly. Lay on the bottom some hot glue and attach it to the pink base. And again, there's Barbie's foot in the shot. Now cut 2 bottom layers along the outline at once. Wonderful! Let's choose the most beautiful flower and decorate the sandals. Do you like them? Now glue the snow white bottom to a piece of blue foam paper. Scissor it out with a generous overmeasure, following accurately the bottom shape. Well done! Glue the sparkling detail of the long brace shape along the overmeasure line. Such lovely blue ballet shoes! Barbie will be happy to wear them at a party, a festive evening, or even at a ball. What are we going to do with the silver draft? On the sideline near the toes, let's attach 3 glossy strips and make a braid. Now fix the braid point and attach it to the white base. You should definitely try it on the foot, and scissor it out along the contour. Decorate the bottom sideline with a sparkling strip. Press the points well. Barbie is so glad to have a new pair of shoes. Blue sliders will fit her well on the yellow sand. Glue accurately the narrow braid strips to the golden bottom. 1, 2, 3. Try it on. Now attach the golden draft to 2 white bases. Scissor it out along the outline. Decorate the platform with the golden strip. Glue some sunny glitter, and enjoy the golden sabot. What's next? Attach 2 sparkling straps to the lilac bottom. Glue a narrow strip in a circle, and we will get a ring for the ankle. Now make from the strap an eyelet around the ring. Fix the strap point where the heel begins. Take a minute to enjoy the beauty. Barbie can't wait to try the open-toe sandals. Attach the lilac ring to the front straps. Glue the blue base and scissor it out again along the bottom's outline. Add some decorations, for example, some glossy glitter. The miniature sandals are awesome! Have a look at Doll's summer shoes. Lovely pink sliders, blue sliders with a braid, marvelous shoes for a ball, genuine golden sabot, elegant flip-flops with a flower, modish striped sandals. A wonderful collection for a dollhouse. We create even more doll miniatures on the Little Sample channel. Subscribe to watch new videos.